guys, and welcome to another car stunt video. And today I'll be playing my first car stunt video actually, and you're going around racing, I think. So I just got to press A, and then we're going off. No, I crashed. So we're already. Still hard to steer. Oh, it takes you to stunt there. I'm still good at this. Hit your face. I'm going over a bridge. I've got to be careful there. Loads of stunts in this. Oh. I fell off. It's really hard. Thought I could turn them. Let's go. I'm just driving around it. How do you reverse? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Is it on the police? Oh, where's the... Oh. No. Oh, the ramp. Try it. Oh. Right, I want to get off of the ramps, guys. Got a crappy car. Turn. Oh, I thought I'd turn. I crashed. Oh, what's this? Let's try to see what we get. And next, I said earlier that I was gonna, a few minutes ago actually, just, what? Oh. What's happening? Maybe just well just see where it takes you. It's like letting me drive on myself now. Turn! Let me. Yeah, off the road, bruh. Yo! It's boring, this game. I don't even want to play it. Ooh, there's some over the hill. Turn! No. Oh, wrong way. Oh, look at this. Oh, hell no. Oh no. Turn. I did use it. Alright, let's get back on it. What do we? Oh yeah. I'm just gonna let it carry on going now. Yes, I've got the way that want to go. I'm gonna go on a rant now. Here I go. Oh, damn. What's all that? It's so big, this map. Oh, look at this wheelie. Ooh, a black pimp. From this town. Yeah. Hello, my name is you. Alright, let's go back down. No. Yeah. down the hill.
Yeah.
Yeah?
In your YouTube videos. Oh, who's that? That is disgusting. That was wet, that was.
Go across. Oh.
We'll stay here. No. We'll stay here. Downstairs. Or you...
There. Oh, this is so hard. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you next time. I'll see you tonight, man. Goodbye.